What's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Michaela, aka Moe Kickz, and today I'm finally showing you guys part 2 of making these Cortezes. So if you want to watch the process of me painting these, then keep on watching. So just like the last video, this isn't going to be a tutorial, it's just the process of me painting these from start to finish, but I will point out a few tips and tricks as I go along. If you watched the last video, you would have seen me doing all the background details and stuff like that, so I'm just going to skip majority of that and get right into the details of the foreground. As you can see, I already laid down my stencils. I personally have a hard time drawing cars, so it really helps using stencils. It makes it easier for me to sketch everything out. If not, I'd be wasting a lot of time on trying to figure out the proportions and all of the angles of the cars, so sometimes using stencils just helps speed that process up. So when peeling off the stencil, I like to heat it up a little bit with my heat gun just to kind of soften it up a little bit, and so that when I pull it off, it's not pulling off the paint that was underneath it. So once I've peeled off my vinyl, I like to go in with a light color such as light gray to sketch out all the details. That way when I go over it with the color that I need, I won't have to use a bunch of layers of paint just to cover up that sketch. When I'm painting characters like this, I do about 2 to 3 layers of each color just to make sure it's nice and solid and you don't see any of the paint strokes. You'll notice when I do the line work, I'm using a very fine detail brush, which I do have linked in my Amazon storefront, so if you want to check that out, I do have it linked in the description down below. I do buy a majority of my tools and materials on Amazon, so if you're ever curious about what I use, you can find it on here. There isn't really much else I can say about this project. If you have any questions about what I'm doing throughout the video, feel free to leave a comment down below and just watch and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified every single time I post a new video.